MP3 Google Analytics Advanced Accounts, focusing on creating advanced segments. We begin by viewing the report of the desired profile, then clicking on the left-hand panel the Traffic Sources link and All Traffic Sources. This enables the data table to be displayed down below. Then click on the All Visits tab. From the window that expands for segments, click on the blue Create a New Advanced Segment link. Stemming from the basics of Google Analytics, you will use dimensions and metrics to build the criteria for your segments, using AND or to further break down the reports as needed. Dimensions being description and metrics the numbers. Here we have dragged dimension city into the first slot, condition being contains, value Vegas. This report will display the segment of just those visitors from a city with Vegas in its name. Here we use dimension city to group 4 cities together. Using OR allows us to cumulatively incorporate just the cities we want. In this example, it's Las Vegas, Barstow, Sacramento, and San Francisco. Here we use metrics to show us information on bounces, visits, and new visits. It will include them if the value set, based on your specific objectives, is met for each. We have bounces set at 25, visits at 100. So we're looking at 25% of bounces of our total visits, and of course new visits at 50, which is 50% of the visits that we have labeled. The number of visitors hitting your site who know your brand name is an important segment. It reflects those visitors who type in your brand name, product names on a search engine, and those that type your address directly or via using a bookmark. Let's take a live look at setting segments in Google Analytics. As we demonstrated already, we'd like to go ahead and click on Traffic Sources and then All Traffic Sources. This will give us our data table down below, so you have that to reference in lieu of the dashboard. Now we're going to click on All Visits. We see we only have one custom segment right now. We want to not be on the city level, but do on the state level. So we're going to go ahead and create a new advanced segment and click on Visitors and scroll down to Region and merely drag that over and drop that there. Matches exactly, we'll do California. So we want to know all visitors from the state of California, and that's the extent of this particular one. Down here you can go ahead and name it. You can also test it on the right hand side as we see, test segment. Go ahead and create segment. And now when we click on all visits, we have that displayed, much as we've covered so far. On the far right hand side, if you want to manipulate your segments, you can click on Advanced Segments. This allows you to manage them, much like the link below creating a segment. And this is where you can delete or copy or share your particular segments. Now just to round out and apply this California segment, we see that we have 7 visits by 3 source mediums by default. If we go ahead and apply this segment just by checking it and clicking on Apply, we see how it breaks it down below. We still have 7 visits, so all of our visits are from the state of California. Today we covered creating advanced segments. For more information on any item in the series, email Massimo at mpaolini.com.